Let's continue with SOPO, which is a statement of profit or loss for investment purpose. No information will be reliable that you can use to determine the company performance, but you can rely on a statement of profit or loss to determine the performance of the company. The P&L, is which is profit or loss, is one of the three statements that probably traded company use or required to release each year. In the SOPO, it shows the three elements, which is revenues, expenses, and net income. Okay, as we can see in the slide, statement of profit or loss for Genting Plantation. Revenue amounted 1,902,899 will contribute by the sales of plantation product and produce, and also the sales of biodiesel and refined palm product. The cost of sales 1,494,608 also contribute the cost of inventories sold for plantation product and produce, and cost of inventories sold for biodiesel and refined palm product. The Tunas Baru Lampung, the net sales amounted 8,614,889 were contributed by the palm oil plantation products and related downstream products and sugar refinery products. For the cost of goods sold, we can see that it includes the oil palm plantation product and related downstream product fluctuation in the cost of goods sold. Next, I pass to the next presenter.
Now, let's proceed with statement of cash flow for both companies as at 31st December 2018. For Genting Plantation Berhad, as we can see that the company record the fair value change arising from produce growing on barrel plant at 2,248,000. The amount is recorded under cash flow from operating activities. Meanwhile, for Tunas Baru Lampung is record the deduction of additional biological asset for 87,046, and for acquisition of barrel plant is recorded for 462,140. Both of the items are recorded under cash flow from investing activities. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.